Hi, I'm Nisa from Orbtronics. If your site is set up through WordPress, you can get Opay on there as well. First, you'd need to sign into your WordPress dashboard and thereafter search for the Opay plugin. Once that plugin has been installed, you'd need to activate it and head to Opay Payments to get your plugin settings right. So you'd need to get your API keys that will be found in your Opay dashboard. Your test keys as well as your live keys need to be added to your WordPress. In the general settings, you'd need to add the backend URL, which would be https://opay.orbtronics.co, which is the URL of our Opay backend server, and you choose an environment, be that test if you are testing your website and want to test payments, or live if you are ready to go ahead and start accepting real payments from real customers through WordPress. Your Opay Payments plugin is compatible with WooCommerce, and you will be all set to begin accepting payments from your WordPress site.